What are you doing, Larry?
Just clean down the window. About to install this roof visor. Just a little something for style, looks.
Okay, in the background.
Step 1, wipe with alcohol. Today we'll be installing HIC roof visor. So, I'm gonna get a look at it from the side. Oh, that's gonna look safe.
Yeah.
You know?
It's gonna look good.
Mini mods. We got this shit like vacuum sealed. My first time ordering HIC, but shit came packaged up real nice. You know.
We'll put the link in the description. They probably got an Instagram too. We could probably put that in there too.
Yeah.
Fuck, is that a sticker?
You got the little logo right here. You know what I'm saying? Not bad.
Well, looks good.
Yeah.
All right.
Damn, bro. It sucks because I don't have no nails.
Yeah, the life of a guy.
I got booty diggers.
Booty diggers. How you doing?
Bro, you got nails?
No, I don't have. Don't.
Oh my god.
Alright, we're working on this, people. Dogs are going crazy.
A few moments later.
Alright, so what you want to do is kind of flip the tabs back on each corner.
Yep.
Before you install. I've resorted to tweezers because we got booty diggers. You know,
Booty diggers.
y'all don't know booty diggers. I looked this shit up on like Urban Dictionary.
Booty diggers.
Focus factor.
Focus.
We used to ride the Focus.
Yeah.
Not no more.
Not no more. That's that bullshit I was telling you for years.
Okay, there we go.
Okay. Okay, we just leveled up again. Thank you.
So, get all these flipped out like tabs.
Yeah.
We about to install it. It's probably gonna be hard to film it, so y'all might just see the end product. Line it up right to the edge of the window.
Fuck yeah.
Make sure the tabs are sticking out. You gonna keep filming?
Yeah. I'm fucking
You got
professional.
your tabs? Hold on, bro.
Yeah.
Come my way.
Come go your way.
Hold on, let me pull these tabs out a little bit.
My shit good.
I just want to be able to get to them.
I'm just hovering mine right where it needs to
I'm
be.
good. You want to drop it?
I got like.
I'm right to the edge where I need to be.
I'm right where I need to be, like right there.
That's at the edge?
Yeah, that's the edge for me.
Okay, push down.
Pushing down. Alright, take your side out first. And then you just come over here and pull these, and I can film it. I'll start applying pressure on that side.
Looking good already.
Yeah, boy, with these Johnnies. Okay, yeah, I'm just looking through a camera right now. Alright. Alright. We're gonna have to wipe this off because we got dirty, filthy.
It's all good. I got detailing spray. Oh, dude.
But
we forgot to apply the primer. It's all good.
It's on there now.
It's on there.
It's on there now.
It's just double-sided tape. We could always redo it.
And then we still got the primer.
I'll keep the, you know what, I'll keep the primer and use that for the windows.
Yeah, you need that.
Ooh. Yeah. Yeah. It's looking great. With that shark fin. Woo.
Yeah. With the Johnnies on it. Pretty decent install, pretty quick. You know, 80 bucks, you can get the same wing. Check them out. Pretty clean.
So, as you can see, we got the roof spoiler on there, you know what I'm saying? That's about what? Additional 20 horsepower?
Right there.
You know what I'm saying? I'm just wiping off some fingerprints right now.
About extra 20 horsepower right there. Wow.
So yeah, man, that's that. HIC duck visor. Simple install, looks great. I highly recommend it. Link it in the description. You can hit them up. Other than that, man, just tune in. Next episode, we should be, I don't know if we dropping this video before or after, but we're working on getting the car lower, so just be on the lookout for that. Other than that, man, subscribe.
All over. Oh my God. Check out the Instagram. Fucks with the Instagram and subscribe.